When I have spoken to many parents, I realize that at a very early age, children are burdened with a lot of theoretical learning, which they most often don't enjoy. And I wanted Arthur to learn and have fun at the same time. That is one of the reasons, after a lot of research, I decided upon Montessori.
So conventional schooling, though, I have been in right from the time that I was a kid, and the whole idea of it being like a formal education at such a young age didn't seem that appealing. So I thought, if she's with Montessori, she'd have more kids of different age groups together, and it will be child-centric, and there'd be a lot of, touch and feel kind of learning, hands-on experience, rather than kind of rote learning of, memorize 1, 2, 3, like that.
Compared to the preschool where we have a big audience, the thing is the student-teacher interaction, and you have that, we prefer the ratio to be as less as possible so that they need attention when they actually ask for, right? So they should be able to provide attention. And that is the prime reason that we chose a smaller school and a better atmosphere for Naina to grow up.
Ohayo gozaimasu. So, good morning. My name is Etsu. I'm father of Ao. So I'm here almost 10 years past. So I settled here in Bangalore. We also find the Montessori schools a lot in India. So it's compared with Japan. It's very difficult to find Montessori. So then we are interested in this Montessori, what it is. So interest to come, bring out. In our house, he mainly speaks Japanese, but he understands who speak which language.
Hriday is much younger compared to his cousins who are all teenagers. There is a lot of difference. The self-thinking process of Hriday at this young age, we could see there is a lot of change in it. Like, he thinks through any given circumstances on his own, and he tries to make decision on his own.
Because we think that children, we need to nurture them and always protect them and always be at their side, and they can't do things unsupervised. But coming here in Montessori environment, we see that children are more able to do more things than we actually allow them to. And that way, they become more independent. And
he starts the day with good morning, Amma, Appa, and then he goes to his neighbor, say hello to them, then comes back. He'll sit and have his breakfast, and he'll keep his plates. He'll help me with a little bit with household chores, he'll keep his shoes in the box. He is very particular about his clothes, so prior to the school day, he'll make sure, Amma, I'll wear this clothes, so make sure you iron and keep everything. So he is very organized.
When we reach out to Supra, it's always Manchali ma'am there for us. So any queries or anything, it's only she who's going to answer us, and she's been very supportive to us, and she has shaped up as a better parent because she tells us more how to be a good parent.
Initially, Amara had some initial developmental delays, probably because of the pandemic. After joining here, it gave a lot of confidence. We saw a lot of improvement in her within 3-4 months.
See, suppose you are taking one child on the road. See, you are going very quietly, but where a child will just go touch the car, and if they find some rock, they will take it. And some things are there, they will collect those things. Interest of the child is they want to touch whatever it is there in the environment. They want to take that impression of those things. From that only they will learn. So that simply if you give the pen and pencil or writing instrument for the children, how it is possible to learn? The Montessori environment is prepared for the children. Bangara. Yaru. Hey, what is that? What is this? This is how Nijoglu tiger ankonde. Ashwa. Hey, what is this? How many lost question? I want to be there with my children. I am not bothering about the money or something like that. Children should be there. They should take advantage from system as well as from my knowledge, my experience. Child should become complete human being.